Hey, good morning, friends. This is Abhishek from MS Office Tips, and today I'll be talking about VLOOKUP in Excel. And I'll tell you what all the common mistakes we do while doing the VLOOKUP. First of all, we need to take care of the file save options. Like we have to save the file before we put a VLOOKUP function or use the VLOOKUP formula. Okay, so this file is saved. You can see test123.xls. The second thing is let me tell you how to put the VLOOKUP formula, and then I'll explain like how to correct it if it is wrong. Now, in this example, I have employee ID and I have a table where I have employee ID and the name. So my work is to find the name corresponding to the employee ID. Now what I'll do, I'll put in the VLOOKUP formula. I'll type in equal to VLOOKUP. So I can see I have a VLOOKUP formula popped up below. So I'll just hit tab. Once I hit tab, then it will take into this particular cell and it will activate all those parameters what I can write in this formula. So this is a kind of syntax. So it's easy for you to write the formula. The first one is lookup value. Lookup value is the key value what you need to search in the table. So my key value is this column or this cell, this 32. So I'll select this. So E6 is the key value now. Okay, and I'll hit comma. Then second is the table array. Okay, so table array is table array is the entire range from where you want to get the data or you want to search the data. So I need to select entire thing. If it was 3 columns, I would have selected 3, but in this example I have only 2, so I've selected only 2 columns. So you can see it's automatically converted like A5 to B13. Now comma, colon number, colon index number. So this is what data you want to retrieve from the table array. So whenever you do this, like whenever you select the table array, the counting of the column is like 1 2, like column number A is 1, column number B is 2. Okay, so I want the name. So name is in column number 1. I'll hit 1 comma and then the false. It's the exact match. I'll close the bracket and hit enter. Now you can see I am not getting any value. It says hash NA. It means it is not able to find the value. So you must have come across this kind of error. Like you can see I have 32 as MAC. It should return me MAC here, but it's giving me NA. So what I need to check, I have used 1 and 1 is this. But you should always remember that VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP works in this fashion, that you have to keep the key on the left hand side and the value which you want to retrieve on the right hand side. So here the value is on the left and key is on the right. So this is not right. So you have to change this thing. Just cut this and paste it here. Now you can see my key is on the left and the value is on the right. I'll rewrite the formula. Equal to VLOOKUP, put the key is 32 and the table array is entire this and the column index is now 2. So I'll select 2. First one is employee ID, second is name, column index 2, then false and tab and close the bracket. Now you can see I can see MAC here. So this is one very important thing you need to take care of. Now let me show you. If you drag this formula down, see what happens. 63 I'm getting right. I have wrong. 22, there is no 22, it's fine, it should not give any value. 23, I have Abhi. Now why it's not reflecting me that value? Let me tell you again one thing. The formula what we have put is a non-static formula. Like this range B5 to C13, it keeps on changing every time we drag it. So you can see on the first cell it's B5 C13. Now in the second cell you say B6 C14, then B7 C15. So the formula is changing, so your range is changing. So let me go to 23 and select this, and you can see here the green color. The range it's changed, so it's only looking up from this in this green selected area. It's not checking for row number 6, 7. It's checking from row number 8 to row number 16. So this is wrong because I want to search it from row number 6 to row number 13. So what I can do to avoid this kind of situation? I have to make this table array as static formula. So how to do that? Just select this and press F4 on your keyboard. Now you see what happens. I'll press F4. Now you see $B, $5, C, $13, like dollar is prefixed before my address. So this makes it static. Now I go to last and hit enter. And then now I drag it. You see now, everything is right. All the values you are seeing is correct. So what was wrong? This range was getting changed every time. So here now you see all the cell has the same range, like B5 to C13 is not changing. So we have made it static. Okay, so this is how you need to work on VLOOKUP, and it's pretty simple. And just need to take care of all three things. Save the file, keep the key on the left and the value on the right. Third thing, make the table array range as static, and you will not face any problem in VLOOKUP. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.